Hello everyone, welcome to PM Networking Q&A session. As most of you know, every week we are collecting questions from our comment section and then I am sharing answers through live session, right? But last weekend I couldn't come live because of the time management, right? Sometimes it's difficult to manage time. Gaurav, namaskar boss. Namaskar Abhijit. Hello boss. How are you guys? All well? Hope you all are doing great. 7 people have joined. Just wait for some more time. After then we'll start the session. This is again Q&A session. Even you can also ask anything in the comment section. Within my capacity, I'm going to share the answer. Good sir, thanks. Thank you so much, sir, Gaurav. So, 8 people have joined, and guys, please hit on like button as well, so that we can start quickly. Only 1 like is there, but 10 people are watching. Why? Why you guys are not liking? Please hit on like button. See, I'm working very hard for you guys, right? I'm about to even complete my FortiGate playlist, right? And after FortiGate, I'm going to make playlist for another firewall or maybe for ICE or for another technology, right? I am also planning to teach you guys Juniper routing and switching, like routing switching on Juniper devices on YouTube. I'm planning to create playlist for Juniper devices as well, but you guys are even not liking the video. No. You always like the video, you always hear the comment, right? And that's only motivate me to work hard, right? Because when you are learning, once someone is getting benefit from the videos, YouTube videos, it's a lot for me that somehow I can help someone. Hello sir, thank you for your courses. Thank you so much, Sanj. Hello sir, how are you? I am great. I'm doing good. What about you, boss? All well? Gaurav, I think you are my CCNA, CCNP student. All good, great. Gaurav, are you the student of current CCNA plus CCNP combo live batch? Are we going to meet live after 50 minutes? I think so. Are you the same or someone else, Gaurav? Hello sir, I am Sumit. Hi Sumit, how are you sir? Hope you are doing great. You are learning, improving your skill and also getting benefit in your career. Hi Matt, do you think is the late for CCIE and we should go for broad tech like cloud and automation? Yes, I also feel like that. You don't need to go for CCIE, better to go for cloud, go for SDN, go for automation, right? Go for Zscaler, load balancer, F5, right? So these technologies can definitely boom your resume. It will add more values than CCIE. I think so, but see, sometimes it depends on interest as well, right? Some people love routing and switching, So some people love enterprise network, right? So if you love the enterprise network, if you want expert level of knowledge in the enterprise, if configuring router switches is more interesting than playing video game for you, then definitely you should go for CCIE as well. Because for some people, configuring router switches firewall is more interesting than playing video game. Even if I will talk about myself, then same for me as well. So 20 people are watching, but only 6 likes are there. Requesting everyone to hit on like button once. I am working in an ISP. I have done CCNA. Great. You are working in ISP and you have already done the CCNA. Now you can go for CCNP. After CCNA, don't go for any modern technology like cloud or what we said, automation or SDN, data center. No. After CCNA, go for CCNP. CCNA, CCNP is mandatory. Okay. Don't skip it. This is foundation. I will never recommend you, suggest you to skip CCNP. Definitely you can skip CCIE, but not CCNP. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you so much. Sir, can you make playlist on Cisco ACI? No, sir. I can't make playlist on YouTube for ACI. ACI is a modern technology. Keep it private for now. Definitely in future I will do that. Right? Even some videos are available on my channel for ACI. You can find the VXLAN configuration video. Right? Some ACI video are available, but I can't upload full course on YouTube for ACI at this moment. Right? Not now. Later, definitely I will. Sir, I want to learn CCNA. How much it will cost? See, do one thing. Just visit to website pmnetworking.in. There you can check the price. I think CCNA will cost you around 10,000. Sir, what is your profession? My profession is network engineer and passion is teaching. Okay, sir. How much package we will get after CCNP? No, CCNA, CCNP, maybe it will not give you the job, right? You can get the job or maybe you can't get the job after CCNP. NANP is the foundation. But after that, you can learn modern technologies. Some people can get job after CCNA, CCNP. Like, see, for the job, many factors are there. Not only the course or certificates, right? What it means, how many courses you have completed. Most important thing is what you have learned. That doesn't matter you have completed any training or not. Someone can learn by themselves as well, by watching videos, reading books, right? They can organize the content and they can learn. So if you know the technology, you can get the job. At the same time, you have to find the correct job based on your skill, right? So you should have a skill to find job as well. Then whatever you know, whatever you have learned, you have to mention that in resume properly, right? So that interviewer will call you for the job. Otherwise, some people are stuck here only, right? To prepare best resume, good resume. Some people fail to clear the interview. Yes, after CCNA and CCNP. So it is not like that, that how much package. Package is secondary thing. First question, Kumar, your first question should be this. Can I get job after CCNP? This should be your question, right? Salary package is the secondary thing. When creating a port channel, do configure the port first, then port channel interface last. To configure port channel, best way is use the range command. Through range command, select the interfaces, set the port, then apply the configuration both sides and then no set the port. That is the correct way to configure port channel or ether channel in the production. I like your videos about SD-WAN. I think I have made a wrong investment for buying a server. I was motivated about CCI enterprise, but the problem here in Australia, the market shifted towards cloud. Yes, so now you can go with cloud as well. Now you can learn cloud. See, your knowledge is not going to waste. right? If you are thinking that, hey, I have learned SD-WAN and now I am going to work in cloud, so sir, even it is going to help you, right? So knowledge never get waste. Now you can learn cloud as well. Sir, please can you send to me CCNA lab note? See, whatever books or notes we are providing to our subscribers, which are available publicly, that you can find that on our website. Even you can search in Google, PM networking, CCNA notes, right? Something like that. Somewhere you will find the link. It is available publicly, right? On LinkedIn you can check. In Telegram you can ask, right? In the Telegram, if you want to ask, someone from the team is going to share the books or like lab book. I am a first year student. I need help in a good roadmap to begin with, sir. So for roadmap also you need to talk to the expert, right? Based on your interest, find the expert of that industry who is doing great in their career and talk to him that should you make your career in that industry or not, right? So as you are in first year, it's a great opportunity that right now you are thinking that, hey, I need a roadmap. Otherwise people think about the roadmap after college, right? And college skill is not sufficient even to get job. There is no any college in the entire world who can deliver the skill which is required to work in industry. No, there is huge gap between the skills which college is delivering and the skills which are required to work in the production. And same issue, I was also facing the same issue. Because of that I struggled for 2 to 3 years after my graduation, right? So the syllabus of colleges is outdated. Yes, every college, I'm not talking about single college, every college syllabus of college is outdated, right? College is delivering something else and industry needs something else. So side by side, you are in first year, that's great. Now you are aware. So from here only, just choose one industry where you are interested, talk to the expert, start following expert on LinkedIn, right? On social media, message them that, hey, I want to build a relationship with you because I am just a beginner, I want to become like you, and definitely they will help you. Okay, so do that. Love from Dehradun. Thank you so much, Jitendra. Sir, how to ping multiple access point to check all working or not? Any GUI tool? Yes, WLC is there. To WLC you can check. You can manage multiple access point. Sir, how much cost for Cisco ACI training? Cisco ACI training will cost you a lot, brother. Check on website once, pmnetworking.in. ACI is only for experienced one. And even to enroll in our Cisco ACI course, first of all, you have to crack one interview. My team member is going to ask you some questions. They will first check your knowledge which are required to learn Cisco ACI. If you will be answering to those questions, then only you can enroll in the ACI course. Otherwise, like you can enroll in CCNA course directly on the website. But if you will try to enroll in ACI course, it will get failed, right? You can't enroll directly. So once you will try to enroll, will get your data, team will call you, they will ask you some questions, right? They will test your knowledge, whatever basic knowledge required to learn the ACI course. If you know those all things, then they will allow you to enroll. I have 15 years of experience but still working as system admin with 10 lakhs. So Kumar, now just start learning from CCNA, learn CCNA and CCNP, and then you can get job. Okay, around 10 you can get package, same package, right? 10 to 12 or maybe 8 will also fine. If you will get job at 8 LPA, that is also fine for you, because within 2 years you can double it, right? Means in 2025 you are going to start working as a network engineer, but your job should be on core technology. If your job is on core technology, then within 2 years, means in around 2027, your package will be around 20, right? So just build a strong foundation by learning CCNA, CCNP, then learn some modern technologies, go with SD-WAN, and after that you can go for job. Sorry. When you said CCNP, when I am saying CCNP, that means I am talking about CCNP in core and NRC. I am talking about CCNP in core and NRC. In many live webinar videos, I told you that my CCNP means CCNP in core and NRC. Been watching you from UK for a couple of years. Thank you so much. You are the awesome. Thank you so much, Snow, for sharing feedback. Gaurav Dunn sir, Saurabh Yadav, good evening sir, good evening. Gaurav, what done? Okay, you are done with CCNA and CCNP combo course, right? Okay. You are from the previous batch. So that's why from the name I recognize it. Sir, is it easy for a core network engineer directly jump to cloud? Yes, it is very easy for core network engineer to jump in cloud. Network engineer is also using the cloud, and cloud is also the network only. In cloud also network engineers are working. Cloud means data center of someone else. That is cloud, nothing else. Cloud means data center of someone else. So in the cloud also network engineers are working. If you want to work as a DevOps engineer, again you can shift your career in the core cloud. If you are looking for certificate, you can go with certificate as well, the beginner certificate, like we have CCNA for networking, right? Cisco networking. Similarly for the clouds, we have the certificates at different levels. You can start with beginner level, practitioner certificate. Yes sir, same combo batch student. Great Gaurav, great, got it. Ali sir, I am the student of CS. Are the maths are important for me, like calculate and priority? See, mathematics is important to live life as well, right? So yes. I want to know, going forward, will there be job opportunity more for network and network automation engineer, because many companies are moving towards cloud? What I said, cloud is also network only, the data center only. It doesn't mean that companies are moving to cloud means network engineer job will be replaced. Cloud is what? Cloud is the data center of another company. Earlier company enterprises was managing their data center. Individually they were hiring engineers. Now cloud providers are managing your data center. That's it. So network engineering is still required. So no one can replace the job of network engineer, guys. Network engineer was in demand, it is in demand, and it will be in demand, right? Always and always. Network is nowadays networking is one new layer which is covering our entire planet, right? So in the future, demand will increase for networking professionals, right? Even a small business, right? Every home, everyone needs a stable network nowadays. Since I am computer and what certification approach as a first year student. See, it depends on your interest. Now first, brother, check your interest, where you are interested. If you want to make your career in tech industry, then start learning with CCNA. right? Don't go for certification, just learn it first, master it. Sir, please tell any future career job in MCA for beginners. Sir, about the job, you should research the market only, right? And job is there everywhere. There is no any single field even in the world where job is not there. Job is everywhere. Depends on your skills, that you are good enough to work for the company or not. Sometimes people are saying companies are not hiring fresher. So why company will not hire fresher? Even company is going to charge less. Company will love to hire fresher, but company need someone who can understand their live network. They don't want to hire someone who don't know the importance of one wrong command. What if they will run shutdown command by mistaken? So if you are behaving like an engineer, you know the technology, you know the live network, the meaning of live network, importance of one wrong command, importance of applying one wrong command in BGP, how it can down many sites globally, it can create the downtime, it can cause the downtime. If you know those all things, company will love to hire you. Sir, please tell me any future career job. Okay, I am L1 network engineer. Great boss, keep learning. At L1 position, you need to learn. You need to work at extreme level. Whatever you can do, do your best. Right? Whoever are working at L1 position, just do your best. Give your best. Because this is the best time to learn and master the technology. You will be learning. One hand you are learning, on another hand you are applying that directly in the live network. So that's great. Great time to learn the technology, understand the technology. A student of October batch, sir. Yes, Gaurav, got it now. Thank you. Amit, hi Praphul sir. Hello Amit. We have class today. Yes, Gaurav, we have class today. What's time? 7:29. From 8 we will have class. Can network engineer do DevOps course? Yes, definitely. Why not? Anyone can do the DevOps. Sir, please, job asking same question. Sir, please tell same. Please, brother, don't put same question again and again. Sir, but I heard data center needs very few network engineers. Even data center need, let's suppose, only single engineer, right? There is a company, let's say Google. Google need only one network engineer in the data center to manage. So still you have chance, na? Still you have chance to work in the Google data center because one position is there, right? So few means what? You have heard correctly, but few is sufficient. You need only one job. What you will do with thousands of jobs, right? Job is not trophy. Is job trophy? No. We need how many jobs? Only one job. So no problem if only few engineers are required in data center. That is sufficient. Hi sir, recently Gap snooping attack was on Delhi IGI airport. Yes brother, yes Amit. For 3 years experience, what salary package should be according to you? Again, depends on your position, like at which position you are working. In the core networking industry, if you are working on the core network, managing enterprise network, you are working in the corporate. So in 3 years, I will expect around 15 to 20 LPA. 15 to 20 LPA. To increase the LPA salary, you have to learn the modern demanding technologies. Like let's suppose after CCNA and CCNP, SD-WAN and Firewall. First you have learned these courses, then you got job in the company. Right? Now you are working. Now after few years, after 2 years, you want more salary, you want hike, good hike. So what is the option? Option is only one thing. Now you are already familiar with Cisco devices. Easily you can learn the Juniper devices as well. Only you need to learn the commands and their operating system. That hey, now I know iOS operating system configuration. Now I will understand Junos operating system, the Juniper operating system configuration. And you know Juniper is in high demand, right, for the good salary. You can learn Zscaler. A single technology can multiply your salary by 2, 3, 4 even. Right? So if you want to hike, good hike, you have to learn the demanding technology. And you can only learn the demanding technology when you have the strong foundation. There is no any alternate way. Changing job is not the solution. Sometimes people prefer changing job. By changing the job also you can increase your salary, but you can't multiply your salary. Right? Earlier, if you was working on 10 LPA, maybe if you will change the job, you will get 12 LPA. That's it. Right? Thank you so much for answering my question, sir. This has cleared a lot of doubt. Thank you so much, Rohit. Sir, can I learn networking at the age of 47? You can learn networking at the age of 87 as well. If you are dedicated, fit and fine to join the classes, to perform the lab, then you can learn it at 87 as well without any issue, and even you can get job. And guys, 40 people are watching now, 31 people are watching, only 16 likes are there. So tell me in the comment section why you guys are not liking the video, why you guys are not clicking on like button. Tell me the reason. Good evening, sir. I need F5 and Zscaler knowledge of YouTube videos. Do you have our PM Networking website? So on PM Networking YouTube channel right now, I think 3 videos are available on F5 load balancer. On the Zscaler, I have not created any video till now, but I am planning many things. Okay, it's difficult for me as well to manage time, but in future I am going to deliver many technologies. I had started FortiGate firewall, many of you know, around 2 months before. Right now I am about to finish FortiGate firewall series. So after FortiGate firewall, I will again pick one technology and I will start making video on that. Once I will complete that, again I will choose another. So most probably our next playlist, new playlist, is going to be Cisco ICE. Cisco ICE or Juniper routing switching. Either I will start a playlist for Cisco ICE or Juniper routing and switching. Really appreciate your passion about dedication for network technology. Thank you so much, Saurabh Yadav. Sir, I am degree second years. I am eligible for this CCNA, CCNP. Yes, brother, you are eligible. Everyone is eligible for CCNA and CCNP course. There is no any prerequisite from the company, from the Cisco for CCNA, CCNP. If you are the graduate, you will get preference in the industry, right? Even after getting experience, not at the initial stage. At initial stage, everyone is same. So after 10th, after 12th also you can learn CCNA and CCNP. Hi, I have 2.5 years experience as a network engineer, but because of illness I had to quit my job. Now I have 1 year gap in resume, but I study hard. Do you think I can still get as SOC analyst now? Yes, I think you can get again job in the industry. Like you are not sufficient, sir. Please come in Dehradun. We will sip a cup of tea in Masuri with no. Thank you so much, Jitendra. Definitely, whenever I will come, I will inform you. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Let me. So someone is saying good evening and see his name. I was about to pronunciate his name, but suddenly I see. Okay. So now 21 likes are there. See, when I'm asking to like the video, after that then you guys are liking. Okay. Now let's talk about some questions which we have collected. My team is working very hard, guys. Team is collecting your questions, but sometimes I'm not sharing the answer to your question through live session because it's difficult to manage time sometimes. But every week we are trying to come live every week, once in a week, to share the answer of your questions which you guys are asking in the comment section of YouTube and Facebook channel. Your video cleared all my doubts. Great, brother. Glad to know. One guy had asked, Praphul, how did you start your networking journey? So guys, honestly, I had started my networking journey as most of the people starts, with no experience but lots of dedication, lots of passion, right, and hard work. Sir, I will appear in the competitive exam of syllabus of networking and configuration chapter. So how to prepare? I didn't get your question. Please ask in short, brother. Is it necessary? Singh ji is asking this question. Is it necessary to learn Python for network engineer? Even we don't like coding. Yes, sir. Python is also mandatory. See, even no problem. You are not going to learn the coding here in Python. Python is a language like English language. Python is an English language. You are not going to learn C, C++, Java, those types of coding, right? We are network engineer, and our purpose of learning Python is different. And even we have libraries for a script, right? So you are also not going to write the script, but you have to understand the technology, how we are connecting automation tool to the devices. Because in SD-WAN, when you are configuring multiple WAN devices through vManage, automation is there behind the scene. So you have to learn that technology, right? You don't need to learn the coding. Okay, Singh, hope it is clear, right? And you can't ignore automation. Automation is again mandatory. Like earlier I was saying CCNA, CCNP is the mandatory. Even today also CCNA, NP is the mandatory because that is foundation. Like that only, automation will be the mandatory for network engineers in future. Networking is replaced by SDN, is replaced by software defined networking. Now networking became software defined networking, and in software defined networking, automation is playing the critical role, right? So we can't ignore automation. Sir, I graduated in 2023, confused whether to choose networking field or any other field, learn basic of networking. Can you please guide me? See, you should never choose industry like this. First, learn basic of multiple technologies, multiple fields, and then decide where you are interested. If you are not interested, no one can teach you networking and you can never learn it. Never. Not possible. You will be struggling throughout your career, throughout your life, if you are not interested and if you are going to make your career in networking industry. This is the honesty, truth. Many people are struggling in the industry and working as a network engineer because they are not interested, right? Same for software engineers as well. If you are not interested in software domain, you should not become software engineer. Otherwise it will be difficult to learn the technology, because there is not only one technology that, hey, I am going to learn CCNA, CCNP, then SD-WAN firewall and I will become network engineer. No. Technology is keep changing. 5 years before, another technology was popular. Today another technology is popular. After 5 years, another technology will be popular. So whatever you have learned now, will help you to learn the future technologies, but you have to be learning, you have to keep updating yourself always and always. You can't stop learning in this industry, right? So if you are the study lover, I am study lover, I love to study. If you will check my room, you will find books and books only everywhere, right? I love to learn new things, new technologies. So if you are interested, then only you should make your career in networking industry. And before asking to someone else that should I make career in this industry, see, you should not ask this question. I think what you should ask, if you have decided that yes, I will become network engineer, then you need to find the expert and you need to ask to guide how to become expert in this industry. Okay, because making career in networking industry or any industry, it should be your choice, and there are so many factors like your graduation, in which stream you have completed your graduation. Don't you think if someone has completed their graduation in mechanical and they have decided to become network engineer after 4 years, so don't you think like whatever technology they have learned in the college, that is, I think, waste only, because there is no any relation, no any connection. At least there should be connection. You are system engineer, definitely you should become network engineer. Admin engineer, become network engineer, like that. If you are network engineer, you can become cloud engineer, you can become automation engineer. By the way, I am saying network engineer, network engineer, network engineer, but guys, there is no network engineer in today's time. There is no network engineer in today, no any position available for network engineer, right? Even nowadays it is still available, but in future it is replaced. Even job roles or name is also changed, like you can say automation engineer or enterprise engineer, infrastructure engineer. Then next question is, I am distance degree education student. If in case CCNA CCNP learning after me, will I get job? Yes, you can get job. Without learning anything also you can get job. There are so many job available in all the countries, right? And to get those job, no any skill is required. So about the job, definitely you can get job. There are many job available, right? Like non-educated people can also get job, right? Some educated job is also available for everyone. If you like, if you know the basic English, then also you can get job. You can become content writer, you can become video editor, you can become, like, so many jobs are there. After CCNA CCNP also, you will have one core job, which is what you have learned. Are you going to use same in the industry? That is the core job. If you will ask me, can I get job? 110% you can get job, right? There is no any doubt after NANP. But will I get job on the same profile, right? Which will grow my career, which will take my career to the next level. So that depends on your skills. But about the job, it's easy. Getting job is very easy. Many job portals are there. Just create one good resume, upload there. From tomorrow itself you will start getting calls, right? So many jobs are there. Even companies are struggling to find the employee. It's very tough for company. Is AI impact network engineer? Most people discuss little bit. AI is going to improve your productivity, right? So like a mechanic need tools to fix the issues. Similarly, AI is your tool. AI is the tool of network engineer. Like pilot uses autopilot to fly safer. That is what tool, not to stop flying. Similarly, AI is a helping tool for network engineer. You will use it. Network engineer is only going to use AI. Okay. I have 3 years of experience in networking. What make me to get updated myself to get AI future? Learning technologies, learn the AI tools. Is it necessary to learn data center knowledge after CCNP, like CCNP data center? No, that is not mandatory. That is not mandatory. Which domain of network engineer job? Network engineer job high payment means network sikha. I didn't get you. Which domain of network engineer job high payment? No, I didn't get it. Invisible, hi brother. Network sikha, hi. I'm working as a network engineer in system integration company where I am in design and deployment. Wanted to shift in MNC but not interested in technical support role. Which role? Go with architect. You can become architect. You have to sit with sales teams, right? You will help manager your founder to grow their company. You will talk to the clients that, like, let's suppose I have a company and I need a stable network, right? So you will be helping companies like me, like my company, how I can improve my networks, how I can make more available, more scalable, more better, how I can get better performance, more better performance, how I can reduce the latency. So you will be working on those all things. That is going to be very interesting job, very interesting. Okay, so you can become architect, you can become WAN architect, master SD-WAN. Hello sir, thank you very much for your service. I am Safi from Afghanistan. I worked at an organization as an information IT specialist and I want to be an expert in this field. What? Again, I didn't get your question. If you want to become expert, you have to learn. Please video on SIP technology. SIP technology as requested multiple time. Where you have requested multiple time? This is the first time when I have seen your comment. सर मुझे नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी में जाना है तो CCNP एंटरप्राइज करना जरूरी है. यस, CCNP एंटरप्राइज तो करना ही है, right? Even if you want to become software engineer, then also you should learn CCNA. CCNA will help you to understand the technology. You can become more better software engineer. So it is for everyone. If you know the CCNA, it can help you to configure your network, your home network. You can help someone. This is general knowledge, right? Networking, enterprise network is general knowledge. CCNA is for everyone. And for security domain, yes, you should learn CCNP also. Which domain of network engineer has the highest salary? This is again invalid question. Can we do AWS professional after CCNP? Yes, you can do AWS after CCNP, right? For high salary, what I told you, you need to learn the demanding technologies, right? Like if I will talk about the Juniper. So why Juniper engineers are getting more salary than Cisco engineer? Because engineers are very limited, right? There are huge number of engineers who know Cisco, right? Even it is easy to learn because resources are available on the internet. So many trainers are there who is teaching, but very less resources are available for Juniper networking. You will not find easily videos easily. right? So output, in the output, engineers are limited. That's why whoever knows Juniper configuration are getting good salary, more salary than Cisco engineers. So if you want more salary, want hike, you want to multiply, there is only one option, that is improving skills. And improving skills means learning the demanding technology. You can learn Zscaler. If you will, you can try, just do one thing, add Zscaler in your resume, update it on all job portal, and see the result in next few days, in 10 days. See the result, right? Test it by yourself. Why you are asking to anyone? Add it, right? Then you can decide whether I should learn it or not learn it. Mention the Juniper knowledge in your resume and share your resume with companies on job portals, and then see, and after that decide whether I should learn Juniper or not. This is the practical and best way. Now guys, I have to leave the session because from 8 p.m. you already know, like I am taking live classes, so I am live from last 46 minutes here, and it's feel like I am live from last 5 minutes only. Okay, so now even I can't discuss this question. I will talk about this question in another session because I am going for live session now. Can please make video? Okay सर CCNP साथ कौन सी फायरवॉल करनी चाहिए? अगर आपको सिक्योरिटी डोमेन में एक्सपर्टीज चाहिए, आपको मास्टरी करना है, सिक्योरिटी में क्या बनाना है, साइबर सिक्योरिटी पढ़ना है, तो ASA फायरवॉल स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना है? ASA से. देन यू शुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ ASA, राइट? इफ यू वांट टू लर्न द टेक्नोलॉजी देन यू शुड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विथ Cisco, right? If you want to expert on router switches, learn first Cisco router switch. Similarly, learn ASA firewall. ASA firewall is a great to build a strong foundation in security domain. And after that, learn these all next generation firewall. You can learn FortiGate, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, these 3 firewalls together, and within 3 to 4 months. Sir, please tell me the current fee of CCNA certification. I don't know. It will cost you around 25,000, sir. You can check on the official website of Cisco. Hi. CCNA certification exam fee in dollar today. See, you should check it on the official website of Cisco. Sometimes you guys are thinking like this comment section is Google console, right? So don't you think it is not Google console? We should search it on Google. How much charge Cisco is, how much Cisco is charging for CCNA certificate, right? Fee is not fixed. It is, sometimes it's 25, 30. So it will be from 20 to 40,000 in between, any amount. Artist Vicky Singh. Don't put same thing again and again. सर आपको हिंदी नहीं आती है क्या? नहीं आती है राहुल मिश्रा, हिंदी भी आती है, बट आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश. द रीज़न वाई आई एम स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश एंड टीचिंग इन इंग्लिश इज, नंबर 1 रीज़न इज बिकॉज आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड दिस इज माई प्रैक्टिस, लाइक बेस्ट वे टू improve the English. Okay, Rahul Mishra. And guys, whoever have not liked the video, please like the video. We'll talk again in another live session, right? I have to leave now because my students are waiting for the live session. Sir, is CCNP troubleshooting course helpful for that has started? That is for working professionals. If you are working, and check the demo session first, right? Day one is video is available on YouTube. Check that what topics we are going to cover. If you feel like yes, it can help me to understand my company network, my scenario, at real time scenarios, then only you should enroll. Okay, then you can buy the course and you can start learning. So it is not for everyone. Check is it for you or not. That's why I ask you to watch first video, day one video. Sir, you are currently working, and what is your role? Will you teach cloud security after CCNA? Which certification should I pursue to go into the network security? CCNP in code. Then I am radio frequency engineer. We want to move it field now. How to possible? Sir, I have completed my 12th and I am learning CCNA and guys, please don't ask question now, right? I will connect again. You can ask your doubt in another live session. Okay, you can enable the notification for PM Networking YouTube channel, so that whenever I will come live, you will get notification, and then you can share your question. Definitely I will share my answer within my capacity. I will share the answer, or you can ask question in the comment section of any YouTube video. Every night I am replying there. That's all for this session. Bye bye, we'll meet again. Thank you so much for joining, liking the video. If anyone have not liked, please like now. Thank you so much.